What's up, guys? I want to show you really quickly how to do a split screen in Adobe Premiere Rush on a mobile device, so like your phone or iPad or something. So first thing I'm going to do after creating a new project is add my media. So here I got my two images, and the cool thing about Premiere Rush is that it allows you to work on tracks. And so to do that, just select an image or a clip, drag it up to another track, and from there you can kind of adjust it so that they're directly on top of one another. Okay, so now what I need to do is move them. So here on the bottom part of the screen you have all these options, and I'm just going to scroll over to transform. And this H position is what I'm going to mess with first. H is horizontal, so just click on it and I can move this to that side. Click on the bottom clip, move it to that side, and we're looking pretty good. I need to kind of adjust the scale, so scroll to the right and hit the scale width, and then I can move that one up and move this one up as well, so they're about the same size. Great. I'm going to adjust that H position again. Okay, now that picture on the left is overlapping the picture on the right, so I'm going to scroll to the right on the bottom to where it says crop right. Click that, and then I can, whoops, wrong one, get that top one. Get that so it's right in the middle there, or about. And that's it. So I can get out of that, and then you do that with each set of photos that you have in order to do the split screen on Adobe Premiere Rush. So there you go. Now it's your turn.